How to change Netflix language from Hindi to English. Hello and welcome to 1 2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change Netflix language from Hindi to English. To change it, you will have to follow the steps. First of all, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com. Then press enter to browse it. Here make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. Once you are logged in, hover over or click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and then from the drop down menu select account option here. By clicking on this option, you will be taken to the account settings. Here scroll down and under quick links, you will find edit setting option. Click on this option. Within it, under preferences section, you will find language option. Simply click on this language option and now here scroll down. As you can see here, currently it is set to Hindi. Now to set it to English, you just have to locate the English here. As English is the default language, so you don't need to select it. You just simply have to remove this blue tick from the Hindi option. For that, click on the box ahead of this Hindi language and then it will get removed. Now, as you can see, the English is selected by default here. All you need to do is click on this save button right below and it will be set to English now. Once you have done this, the language on your Netflix account will switch to English now. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.